resurrected. You shall be resurrected. You shall be resurrected in the name of Jesus. Receive fire, receive power, receive fire, receive fire. Oh, la sana nasita, lo propasika. I see marriages here being revived. I see marriages here being revived. I see marriages here being revived. I see people looking for jobs and receiving it. I see people looking for jobs and receiving it. I see people writing metric and passing up with distinctions. I see people having a setbacks and moving forward in the name of Jesus. I see people moving up with their lives, dimension and dimension in the name of Jesus. This is a day of your freedom. Oh, the enemy thought that he got you. Not today.